Okay, it's past time. I need to hurry up and get these sweet potatoes slips in the soil. Look at all of those roots forming on those sweet potato slips. Okay, I have my soil ready outside, ready to go and grow me some sweet potatoes. Boy, the leaves look so pretty. I just pray nothing eats y'all up outside. That's what I hate. Once I get you outside, that's when the pests start to attack. I pray that your leaves stay growing big and beautiful and grow us a lot of sweet potatoes. Okay, I have my sweet potato slips getting ready to get into their new home. Have them lined up in each bucket, ready to be placed into the soil and grow us some sweet potatoes. I'm going to take some of them out of this one here and out of this one here and put them in that last bucket over there. I have marigolds in each bucket to give them some added protection from the pests, along with some onions I have planted in each bucket. Gotta get some protection for these pests be eating up on the leaves. Okay, let me get ready to plant my sweet potato slips and get ready to grow me some sweet potatoes. Yes. Look at all of these sweet potato slip roots that was growing in that jar. Now I gotta detangle them and get them ready to plant in my pot. See if I can get them loose. They're all matted up there together. Okay, let me work on this here. Okay, I was able to detangle them. Able to detangle these roots. Now let me get ready to put them in the container pot here and watch them grow. Boy, that's a lot of roots. Okay, let's see how I'm gonna lay them in there. Go way down deep in there soil. Look at that one. Okay. Get down in that soil. Enjoy. Enjoy. Okay, let me see if I can get another one. Okay, look at that root there. Let me put you over in this corner here. Go down in that soil. Okay, Marigold, get over. Okay. Put you right here. Get down in that soil. Okay, come on. Let's see. Let me put you over on this side. Go down in this hole and grow us some sweet potatoes. Okay. Okay, one more in this bucket. Okay, let me put you over here. The trellis here. Okay, I got one more. Okay, I have one more. Let me put this one right over here. Okay. Pick this marigold up here that I knocked over. Now, I have one bucket down. I have a few more to do. And I'll water them in real good. Okay, sweet potato slips. Grow us some sweet potatoes now. Okay, I separated them out. Look like I got maybe 6 in each container. May have to get another container because I have more slips. I may put maybe 7 in each one. Right now I have 6. Okay, I'm trying to finally finish planting my sweet potato slips in the dark. I got them all in the container pots. I think I have an average of 7 in each one. I think this one here may have 8. Along with the marigolds and some onions planted with them. Come on, sweet potato slips. Start growing me some beautiful sweet potatoes in Big Mama's garden.